Do you ever feel like the crypto world is in a constant battle with the government? Crossed swords, you're not alone. For years, the fight between crypto exchanges and regulators has defined the market, but nothing captured this struggle quite like the SEC's lawsuit against Kraken. But what if I told you that this long, drawn-out battle has come to an end? What if this isn't just a win for Kraken, but a turning point for the entire crypto industry? Let's break it down. A battle of definitions. The SEC versus Kraken lawsuit wasn't just about one exchange, it was a showdown over the very definition of a cryptocurrency. The SEC, under its former chairman, Gary Gensler, took an aggressive stance, arguing that most cryptocurrencies are unregistered securities. The agency's approach, often called regulation by enforcement, meant it didn't create clear rules but instead sued crypto companies to force them into compliance. In November 2023, the SEC sued Kraken, accusing it of operating as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. This wasn't the first time the two were at odds. Kraken had already paid a $30 million fine to settle charges over its staking program. But this new lawsuit was different. It challenged Kraken's core business model, and many saw it as a test case for the entire industry. Kraken fought back, arguing the SEC lacked jurisdiction and hadn't given the company fair notice of its alleged violations. The legal battle was intense, but as we entered 2025, the tides began to turn. A new era of regulation. Then came the unexpected news. In a stunning reversal, the SEC agreed to dismiss its lawsuit against Kraken with prejudice, meaning it can't be refiled. This wasn't a settlement with a fine, it was a full-blown dismissal with no admission of wrongdoing from Kraken, no penalties paid, and no changes to its business model. This outcome is a massive win for Kraken and a huge shift in the U.S. regulatory landscape. So, what changed? The answer lies in new leadership. With a new U.S. administration came a new approach to crypto. President Trump's administration and the new SEC leadership, led by Acting Chair Mark T. Vujetta, have signaled a move away from aggressive enforcement and toward a more cooperative, transparent framework. The SEC has even created a new crypto task force to develop a clearer regulatory path for the industry. This change of heart isn't just limited to Kraken. The SEC has also dropped or settled cases against other major players like Coinbase, Consensus, and Uniswap, signaling a broader pivot. What's next? Rocket. So, what does this mean for the future? First, it marks a significant move away from the regulation by enforcement era. Crypto companies are no longer just waiting for a lawsuit to define what's legal. Instead, the focus is shifting to creating a clear, comprehensive regulatory framework. We're seeing this play out with new legislation like the Genius Act, which provides much-needed clarity for stablecoins. Second, it could spur a new wave of innovation and investment in the U.S. With less regulatory uncertainty, crypto companies are more likely to build and grow their businesses here, rather than moving overseas. This could help the U.S. remain a leader in the global digital asset economy. Finally, it gives the crypto industry a powerful voice. The legal victory validates the industry's long-held argument that clear rules, not lawsuits, are the path forward. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.